Friends, welcome back to the new video. Friends, today guys we are going to talk about guys how to erase all data in a realme phone. Friends, you want to erase your data. So friends, how can you erase? Means guys, you want to reset your phone. You want to delete each and everything in your phone. So guys, how can you erase this data in your realme phone? In this video guys, I am going to show you friends. So I don't skip the video guys, watch whole video. And before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, and guys if you're new, so guys please click the bell icon also. So friends, now time to start video. And first of all open your phone setting, then guys scroll it. Friends, you can see this type of setting guys. So guys click on your system setting. After on system setting guys, again scroll and guys you can see your backup and reset option, friends tap here. And guys you can see guys this reset setting and reset phone, tap here. And as you can see erase all data. So as you can see reset to factory reset setting. So friends, you want to erase your old data guys, realme phone old data. So friends, you can erase from here guys, tap here, then guys you can erase it. So guys now I don't want to erase, I have many things in my phone, but guys you want to erase, so guys you can erase from here, erase old data. And as you can see erase data. So as you can erase data from here. So I hope friends you have understood how to erase all data in a realme phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. We will meet on next video. Bye bye friends.